it's Evie, and today I'm going to be doing a skit of a squishy scammer. So let's go on to the video. So today guys, I'm going to be ordering a package. So I'm going to go and get my phone. Let's have a look. Instagram. Okay, let's have a look on Well, I'm going to search up squishies. Whoa. My goodness. Okay, so I found this account, Squishy Satisfying Squishies. And they have quite a lot here. Cute. So they have a poo one, so I'm going to message her. How much is this one? Okay. So I'm just gonna DM her. I am interested in some squishies. Let's have a look if I have any DMs that anyone wants to buy. My goodness, she said, I'm interested seeing in your, I'm interested in buying some squishies. DM me back when possible. Okay. So let's text her back. Yeah, what would you like to buy? Oh my goodness, she texted me back already. I thought she'd be busy because it's just been Christmas. One Pony Mario Gold Poo, one Shell Squishy, and one Rainbow Poo Squishy. So she ordered the Gold Poo, the Seashell Squishy, and the Rainbow Poo Squishy. So I guess I'll just get her them. Well, I have this box like this, and I guess I'm just going to, so every time I do a package, I give them this. So I'm going to give her 3, so that it looks like that the squishies are good. Then I always give them a tin of biscuits. They're probably half eaten. Okay. So first, the Punimaru Gold Poo. I have this Gold Poo, but it's not Punimaru. I guess this will be good. A seashell squishy. I have
like so big pants.
Wow. Yeah, I know.
Where, Jack?
It's just like having low crap left, but they're not massive. They look really cool.
It's not like it's a rubber stress squishy, so I guess you like that. She did ask for them to be in packaging. Then here is this rainbow. So as I was saying, I have this blue and purple poo, and it's so squishy. And again, it's not Punimaru. It's really squishy though, and she asked for original packaging. But does she need original packaging? No. So maybe I should put her gold one in a box. So I found this box, And her girl poop is gonna go in there. Okay. So it looks more presentable. Okay, let's put that in there. Yeah. Well, she said, how long will the package take? If I pack it, which I did today, then maybe I could wait a month. Okay, let me just DM her. It might take a month or two because I have to do loads of packages and it's really sad. Sorry. Oh my goodness, just DM me. Your package has been... She DM'd me and said it would take more than 2 months or so because she's packaged it, but she doesn't have enough time to package it. So that is really weird. But I guess I'll just message her, say, could you do it any quicker?